Hey guys, it's Ayami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to make okonomiyaki. Okonomiyaki is really famous food in Japan, especially in Kansai region. I'm gonna make sauce too, so please watch to the end. Now, let's get started. First, mix 50 grams of flour and 60 grams of water. Then add 1 teaspoon of bonito powder. Then egg. Then mix well. Then chop cabbage roughly. Then add cabbage into bowl. Then mix well. If you have spring onion, add some. Then mix well. Pour a little bit of oil into pan and then heat it up under low heat. Now pour all of okonomiyaki. Then put thin sliced pork. And then cover it with a lid. Change the heat to medium. Now flip over. 間違えた。せーの。Cover with the lid again. じゃーん、完成。Now let's make sauce for okonomiyaki. I normally use this kind of okonomiyaki sauce or takoyaki sauce from Otafuku company. But if you can't find these products in your country, don't worry, you can make by yourself. So now let's do it. First, 1 tablespoon of worcestershire sauce. Then 1 tablespoon of ketchup. Half tablespoon of oyster sauce. Then half tablespoon of soy sauce. And then mix well. That's all. 美味しい. Then now put this sauce. I'm gonna use this sauce for half, okonomiyaki sauce for half. Then mayonnaise. Then bonito flakes. わー、美味しそう。いただきます。何？Both sauces are so good. Thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. If you think it looks good, please try this recipe. Also, the sauce that I made can be used for takoyaki, so probably I will share takoyaki recipe someday. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching again. See you in the next video. Bye!